Hey guys, I just got in this electric coffee mug, which they call an electric or portable electric kettle. So this should make things hot real quick. We're going to find out together. Never mind the sticker on the front, that's from Amazon. And this is from the brand Sekaer. I guess that's how we say it. At least that's how we're going to say it. Let's take a look at what we get. Let's see if it makes hot water, and then we'll know if this is the right electric coffee mug for us. All right, so here's what it looks like packaged in there. Let's pull that out. All right, so in the box we've got some packing material. Don't need that anymore. Oh. On the side of the box real quick, we see it says it's got a leak-proof design, double layer anti-scalding. It says it'll boil water in 5 minutes. It says it has boil dry protection. It's made out of food grade material, and it says automatic shutoff. So those are some great features for it to have. All right, let me remove the rest of this packing material here. All right, so what do we got? There it is. Let's see if there's anything inside. All right, so there's some stuff inside. Looks like we've got a power cord and an instruction book or paper leaflet. All right, well, there's the electric cord for it. Let me unravel that so you can see what it looks like. All right, so it's got a protector there. All right, so here's the end that goes into the kettle. Here's the end that goes into the wall, and it seems to be about 3 feet in length. So that's just an important note there. Let's see if the instructions say anything unique. Nope, it's got a lid. Unscrew the lid, add amount of water. No more than the maximum water level. Okay, so inside there's a line here that says maximum water level. So that's good to know. Press function, select temperature, 175, 185, and 195. If you do not perform any operation after blinking for 5 seconds at the specified temperature, the system starts to work. Okay. When heated, the screen shows the current water temperature. And then when it reaches a preset temperature, it automatically goes into a heat retention state for 2 hours, so it'll keep it hot. Okay, and after it reaches that, it will alternate the display between BB and the preset temperature. At 212 degrees, insulation cannot be selected. After boiling, the display just shows dashes. Okay. Press function cancel. Okay. All right, so I've got some water fresh out of the refrigerator. So it's super cold, so it may take a little bit long, but we're going to find out together, guys. I've got an extension cord handy. So let me plug one end of the extension cord in. There, and then in the mug we see it's got a display here. It's got its name, and on the back I assume, yep, that's where the power plug is in. All right guys, I mean, this has a nice feel to it, and it's got a fairly thick wall. Let's pour some water into this. Okay, so that filled it to the max line, and this is a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle, which is also 1.05 pints or 500 milliliters. So now we know how much it holds, 500 milliliters or a standard water bottle. All right, let me put this top on here. You would think I would know how to put a top on a bottle, but it seems like I'm struggling today. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me plug this in. Okay, now we see the display shows all dashes. Boil it. Oh, so I pushed boil 212. Okay, and if I push the button on this side, which is a tap display, it just goes to the preset temperature. So we're going to go with 212. Let's see how long that takes. Oops, I just heard a click. And it says my water must be at 48 degrees, I guess. I don't know, it says 48, so I guess that means the water is at 48 degrees. I thought it was colder than that, but hey, what do I know? I don't know what this fridge is set at. It's just my beverage fridge. So, 57, 60, 64. That seems to be climbing awfully fast. So, let's see how long this takes to get to boiling, and then we'll see what it's like. Okay, it's holding steady at 78. So something tells me the temperature sensor, either the temperature sensor's off or it's heating really, really fast. I mean, the temperature sensor might be near the heating element, and that might be why the temperature sensor is reading like that. But I'm going to put this down right here. We're going to wait, and we're going to see when it gets to a boil. All right, it just reached 212 degrees, and that was about 7 minutes from refrigerator cold to boiling, so I just turned it off. We're going to open it up and take a look at what we've got. Oh, steam galore coming out of there. That is really hot water. All right, and I was able to hear it boiling while it was cooking. Guys, I mean, that's pretty impressive. From refrigerator cold to boiling in, what did I say, about 7 minutes? I mean, I'm really happy with that. And as I watch the temperature rise, I'd say if that's boiling right there, it's fairly accurate on the temperature setting. So it was climbing really fast. And I say in about 2.5 minutes, it was probably hot enough to make one of those soup cup type things or one of the dried soup mixes. So guys, this I think could be a really great buy. It could be a really great gift. It could be used on a construction site or when you're out traveling. It can be used in the office to make a hot lunch or a hot beverage. You could get those dippable coffee bags or tea bags or anything that you want to make a hot liquid out of. This seems to do it very quickly. I recommend it. I hope this review was helpful for you to decide if this electric coffee cup, tea kettle, whatever we want to call it, is the right electric device for you. I also left a link in the description so you can pick one up today.